Hey, hope you're doing well today. As I mentioned in the previous video about my camping stove, I wanted to try it out and see what it can do. So I'm going to start with some easy stuff and then try and get a little bit more and more difficult meals planned. So please stay tuned. So the first thing I'm going to make is some coffee. So I've got some Nescafe and I'm going to boil some water up. Haven't really seen how long it takes to boil water on here. Well, honestly, that didn't take much time at all. I'd say less than 3 minutes. I'm not making a whole lot of coffee, but I'm surprised how quickly it went. It's already boiling, and so I'm going to make my coffee. Well, since I've got the coffee, I might as well go ahead and make some breakfast. We're going to make some simple scrambled eggs. I've got the eggs scrambling, and might as well get the pot warming up. I don't think I want it too hot. We do have some oil. Like I said, judging by how quickly it boiled the water, I really don't want to have it on too hot. So. Got some cheese to throw on top. Some pepper. It's cooking up very fast. Scramble it up. It's really not sticking at all. I definitely picture this as something that could easily be done out on the trail. Well, I don't think I could have done any better at home. Looks perfect. Do have a little bit of ham that I want to cook up. Now it's time to enjoy my nice breakfast, my hot cup of coffee. So I did want to see how easy it is to clean. What I'm going to do is just go ahead and boil some water in it. I figured that would be a good way to clean it off. Does seem to be getting unstuck. Cleaning up okay. We'll see. Well, with no real scrubbing, it did come out okay. I'll just have to get a little scrubber and remember to bring that with me camping. Okay, so the verdict after the first time of using this for actual cooking is it worked really well. It cleaned up surprisingly easy. I was very happy with that. I did just go in, take a sponge, wiped it out. No more effort than it takes at any of my dishes at home. So should work very well. You can see cleaned up very nicely. So please stay tuned for other videos. If you want to see me cook something different, just leave me a comment below and we'll be sure to try any recipes or anything that you guys want to see cooked up with this little Soto camping cook stove. Take care, be sure to like and subscribe. Have a wonderful day.